Okay, I'm going to show you how to spray starter fluid in the Honda Metropolitan. You know, sometimes, just about every year, you go out to start the damn thing and the battery's dead. So you gotta usually change the battery almost every year on these stupid things. Well, anyway, unless you drive it a lot. But if you, like normal people, you don't drive it very much during certain seasons, you go back and use it and the battery's dead. So the good way to get it started, if the carburetor's got issues and like it, just sat there and got a bunch of gunk in it, while you were not using it, it's nice to be able to use the starter fluid. So I'll show you how to do that. This bike wouldn't start, and so I tried everything. I took the spark plug out, took a look at it. Go ahead and check my other video out on spark plug there. But anyway, the spark plug was fine. Couldn't figure out what it was, so it has to be the gas. So I just want to put a little starter fluid in, and I'll show you how to do that, and we can go on to the next thing. So this cover here has got 5 screws, and so you just pull the 5 off. I've already done that, and then this is actually up in there. It sits, there's little tabs right here it sits on, and it just sits like that. And so then you have right here, this goes the access straight to the carburetor. Goes in with your air, comes in and goes through here, goes through the filter, and then goes in through here. So you want to take your starting fluid, and don't put very much in there. This stuff is really potent, but just put a little bit in there, and that's it. And then again, have your turn your key on. Okay, so anyway, you saw how it works. I'll do it again. I forgot to have my brake locked on, so it wouldn't work. But put it in there a little bit, and yeah. So I got more issues. You got to do the same thing a few times if you have to, just like I'm doing. But that's how you do it. So just don't put in a lot in there, because you'll actually just wreck the thing. You need to have your pistons have some oil on them, or they'll just freeze up on you. So you want to give it gas and keep it going as much as you can. So baby it, give it a little throttle, and just keep it going. And I'll do that for a second here while you're on the line, but that's how you do it. Okay, so I'll show you how I do it. Give a little bit of fluid. Okay, so anyway, that's what you got to do until you get it running. So now you'll know how to get it started. You'll at least know at this point, by doing that, what the other issues are. So you know that it's not a fuel issue, or it is a fuel issue, or what have you. So if you have any questions, put them down below. But that's of course how you also change the air filter and all that. They have them just about anywhere. And this one's actually just painted black. Isn't that funny? Not dirty. So you could just replace these things out, a couple bucks, and you're back in business. Okay.